Alright, in this video, I want to thank each of you who tune in each week, each month, or maybe every once in a while. I really appreciate all of your participation, feedback, and all that good stuff. 6,000 subscribers, another contest for you. Any of you can do this as long as you know basic arithmetic. A while back, I posted a video on improving mental math and problem solving with KenKen or MathDoku. Just do a search on my channel for KenKen, K-E-N-K-E-N, or MathDoku, M-A-T-H-D-O-K-U. The puzzle that I want you to solve for the contest is this puzzle right here. Once you solve it, take all four corners that you see in yellow, multiply those four numbers together, and then head over to my website, idomath.weebly.com. That link right there on the main page, click on that. Type your email address in twice to avoid typos, so if you win, I can contact you. Here's the puzzle again, all four corners, multiply those four corners together, type your answer in right there, click submit, you're done. The deadline is going to be January the 31st, 2018. The way a winner will be picked, I'll do a video on it. I'll take all of the names of those who got it right. I'll take a part of your email address that's unique. I'll enter those names into a random name picker on the computer. I'll do a video on it. We'll have our winner. We'll get in contact with each other and you'll get your money or whatever we can work out if you are in a different country. And again, folks, thank you so much. 6,000 now. I'm looking forward to 7,000. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped.